There it goes. Documenting. Mason?
Yeah.
Have you found the bone yet?
Yeah. I found the tail and here.
Let's have a good close look at that. I want to capture this for...
Who?
What kind of dinosaur do you suppose that is?
I know what it is. I think it is this one. This one. That one.
Let's have a look at
Come
that.
on. It's the tail. The tail.
What do you got there? Triceratops? Stegosaurus?
No. I
Apatosaurus?
think that's the tail of my guy. I think that thing.
Here.
That thing is my main foot. I think that's part of my foot. I think that's
Zooming in from above here.
exactly your
Check that out.
What? My bus stop.
What's that?
Mason, you taking a little breather?
No.
This is hard work.
This so you.
Just go over here and get a zoom in on Mason's bone.
No.
Apparently there's been bone spotting. Where is it, Mason?
Here.
Let's have a look there.
And here, and here. Both of them.
Oh yeah, there it is. Get those goggles down, Mason, right? That boy. Check back.